So welcome back to the channel, track fans. So there is something that has been bothering my mind, and I feel like let me talk about it now. What I want to talk about is the revenge of the Jamaicans. We all know what Shaccarri did to the Jamaicans in Budapest World Athletic. If you are a truly track fan, then you must have watched what happened in Budapest. Shaccarri beat the Jamaicans like back to back in the 100-meter, and now the Jamaicans are having an opportunity to revenge what Shaccarri did to them. We have Shericka Jackson, we have Ellen Thompson, Hera. Now let me point out something scary. Shericka was not supposed to race in the 200-meter, but do you know what happened? Shericka recently, I think last week on Saturday, she decided that she will also be racing in the 100-meter, and we already have Shaccarri and Ellen Thompson era. Now I feel like this must be a revenge that Shericka wants to do. She wants to revenge back what Shaccarri did to the Jamaicans in 100-meter. Shaccarri was able to run a very fast time of 10.65 in Budapest, becoming the fastest woman alive in the world. So it was very painful to the Jamaicans. I'm sure it must have pained the Jamaican officials also, because that is what I'm sure that is not what they planned. They planned for either Shericka or Shelley and Fraser Price to win the 100-meter gold in Budapest, but it did not happen. Shaccarri shocked almost all the whole world, but the Jamaicans did their best. I can't complain because they did their best. Shelley did her best, Shericka did her best, but this time in Diamond League Eugene, which is taking place September 16, this Saturday and Sunday that is coming, it's going to be a very tough race, and I'm so scared to say that it's definitely a revenge, because Jamaicans are ready to light up the fire. Shericka is ready. If it is not a revenge, then tell me why Shericka will not just run the 200-meter. Rather, she decided to now race in the 100-meter instead of the 200-meter. She will race both 100 and 200 meters. So why did she decide? Let me know what you think, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel.